Why are there two major Portlands in America, located on opposite ends of the country? These two famous cities sit 3,000 miles apart, yet share one name. One is in Oregon, a Pacific Northwest hub surrounded by deep rivers and lush evergreen forests. The other is in Maine, a historic port city facing the cold Atlantic. Both became the largest and most influential cities in their respective states. But only one of them is the original, giving its name to the other through a twist of fate. The story begins on the East Coast. The older Portland is found in New England, specifically in the state of Maine, where its maritime history runs deep. Long before it adopted its famous name, this coastal area was known as Falmouth Neck. It was a vital location for shipping and trade in the early colonial days. However, during the American Revolution in 1775, British naval ships launched a devastating attack, leaving the town in ruins and ash. After the war ended, the resilient community rebuilt their home. In 1786, they decided on a fresh start and officially renamed the town Portland. The name was inspired by the English Isle of Portland in Dorset, a place famous for its stone. It was a tribute to the deep British roots of the settlers. And so, Portland, Maine, established itself as a premier coastal city. But the name wouldn't stay confined to the East Coast for very long. Almost a century later, the story shifted 3,000 miles west to the rugged Pacific Northwest, where a new settlement was beginning to take shape. In the Oregon country, a new town site was established along the Willamette River. At the time, it was simply known as the Clearing by the local pioneers. This humble clearing was destined for greatness. It would eventually grow into Oregon's largest city, but first, it needed a permanent and prestigious name. The founders, Asa Lovejoy and Francis Pettygrove, couldn't agree. Lovejoy was from Boston and wanted that name, while Pettygrove was from Portland, Maine. In 1845, they decided to settle their dispute with a coin toss, a simple best 2 out of 3 match using a single copper penny. Francis Pettygrove won the toss. In an instant, the town was named Portland. If the coin had landed differently, the city would be called Boston, Oregon today. That specific coin became a piece of American history. Known as the Portland penny, it is still preserved today by the Oregon Historical Society. So Portland, Oregon, was named directly after Portland, Maine, all because one man won a coin toss in a frontier cabin over a century ago. It's a strange thought. Imagine a world where the two biggest cities on the West Coast were named San Francisco and Boston. One flip changed everything. The name traveled from a small island in England to the coast of Maine, and finally across the wilderness to the Pacific Northwest. That is the story of how America got two famous Portlands, and how a single random coin flip forever altered the geography of the United States. Would you have preferred the name Boston, Oregon? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more history stories.